We'll put cream. Ah, better. Cream. Ah. Yeah. Cream. We're applying cream to your wound, baby. So your wound will heal. Rico. Lotion. We apply lotion. Ito nga pala yung lotion na gamit ni baby, oh. Yan. Ano yata to? Less than 20 dinar. La Roche-Posay. La Roche-Posay. Pushe, laro pushe. Ah, wala. Stamping baby, stamping baby. Siyempre yung tira sa akin. Laro pushe, baby, cray. Ah, dito ka. Drama eh. Ay nako. Black baby technique. Yan, Ghost Fighter. Galing kong manood, ano? Sa cellphone ako nanonood ng Ghost Fighter, no? Napanood ko yung Ghost Fighter. Ghost Fighter! Oh. How do we, baby? How do we, baby? Chocolate!
Yes, thank you.
How do we, baby? How do we, baby? Galing, oh. Yan yung tinatawag na one-hand technique. Oh, di ba? One-hand technique.
It's candy. Help yourself.
Oh, what?
Oh, yes.
Put pa. One-hand technique. Wow, you finished.
More.
You want more?
Yeah.
Okay. Finish mo muna yan. I will make you a new one. The one-hand technique. How to dress a baby. Yeah.
Be careful.
Not how to dress. How to put a leggings on baby using one hand. One-hand technique. Ay nako.
Give them to me.
O, diba? Now, meron na tayong two hand. Ayun na. Sige. Oh. You want more?
Chocolate.
Yes.
No.
Tada.
Fish.
Tada.
Do you want?
You want rice?
Okay, I'll taste it. Chocolate.
Chocolate.
Chocolate?
Yes, baby. What do you want?
For girls again.